Do it my own. Okay. For mine. Okay. You can just come in, Ken. Okay, can you step back? No way! Yes, way! I want to first on it, and I'm going to send you. Okay, that is weird. Oh! What the heck? There. We're not there. We're not even videotaping. Yes, we are. Okay. We're starting off on mine. Okay. No. No. Okay. Look at yourself. You were thinking computer. That's the end. No. Okay. Thinking computer. Okay. Thinking computer. Okay. Thinking computer. Okay. Now. Thinking computer. Okay. Okay. What are we doing again? Okay. Haley, do you want to be in my show? Show what? Video. It's called The Angelina Show. No, but I'm pretty sure Aubrey does. She does. Okay. Now, let's introduce yourself. Get ready to introduce yourself to Aubrey. Aubrey JoJo.
She's mad right now. She's giving the evil look.
Why?
Because she doesn't want to be here right now.
I didn't